Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola Omobaba. Today I'll be teaching you how to make turkey gizdodo with sausage. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the like button and the notification bell. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make it. First of all, wash your turkey gizzard and remove unwanted things from it. Drain out the water. Pour in your turkey gizzard on the pot, on the cooker. Slice just one onion, one red onion. Add the sliced onion. Add 1 spoon of garlic pepper, 1 spoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of grounded spices, 1 teaspoon of barbecue, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 spoon of non-cube powder. Add just 1 cup of water. Stir it up properly. Cover it up and leave it to boil for 10 minutes. Drain out the water from your turkey gizzard. Start cutting your plantain and dice your plantain. About 3 plantains. Measure 2 cups of oil, vegetable oil, on your frying pan on the cooker. Pour in your diced plantain so as to fry. Drain out your plantain from the oil. Start slicing and dicing just 1 sausage. Pour your diced sausage in the heated oil so as to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain out your diced sausage. Start cutting your turkey gizzard into 2. Pour in your turkey gizzard on the heated oil so as to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain out your turkey gizzard from the oil. Blend your pepper. Start with tomatoes. Add your bell pepper and your normal scotchman pepper. Add your onions too. Add small portion of water. Just grind it. Don't let it be too smooth. Slice and dice your onion that you're going to use for the stew. Measure 2 vegetable oil, 2 spoons of vegetable oil in a separate pan. Add your diced onion. Stir it up so that the flavor will come out. Pour in your grinded pepper. Stir it up properly. Add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 spoons of grinded pepper, and 2 spoons of chicken powder. Stir it up properly. Leave it to fry for about 2 minutes. You can also add your chunk of butter, just 1 chunk of butter. Start slicing and dicing your onion. Slice your red bell pepper. and dice it properly. Slice and dice your green bell pepper. All this add more vitamin C and nutrients to the food. Start slicing your yellow bell pepper. Now pour in your cut turkey gizzard in your stew. Stir it up properly. Add your diced sausage. Stir it up properly. Add your fried plantains. Mix them properly together. Add your diced onion, just one. Add your pepper, your red bell pepper. Add your green bell pepper and your yellow bell pepper. Mix them properly and stir them properly nicely. You can see that it is looking nutritious. It's a balanced diet combination of turkey gizdodo. You can cover it up to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turkey gizdodo with sausage is ready. Thanks for watching.